Fred Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to do a two-way lookup using index match, and we're going to show retail sales based on menu item and dates. Here is our menu items. We have a date, and then we have retail sales. We're going to transpose this date over here. And then we're just basically going to say, all right, we have a menu item, eggs, as of this particular date. Show me that retail price. Here is the formula. Older versions of Excel, Control-Shift-Enter. We have our name ranges, menu item 313, B5 to B13. Sales date 313, C5, C13, and retail sales 313. We're going to define each one of these and say, find this and this. Notice, look carefully, we have this asterisk within the match function. Remember, match is going to look for a row. We're going to have to match menu item, date in order for this to work. I don't think I need to define index match, but let's just take a quick read over here. You can perform a multi-item lookup and transpose the dates. Transpose the dates in a list. Here's the formula. Where the name ranges are what I just mentioned. I don't need to repeat those. Index retrieves a value from the name range retail sales, as I stated. Index retail sales 313 row number. That's what we're shooting for, retail sales. All match is going to do is find that row, and then index will throw out this particular retail sale number. Here's the formula. Where row number is determined by the match. Row number is determined by the match function and some true-false discrete math. In other words, we're going to have to use this 1. That's true. Remember, match 1 is equal to true, 0 is equal to false. What is it? It's our lookup value. We have to determine whether F5 menu item 313 is true and G4 equals sales date. We're shooting for one particular answer, so we're going to have one true and a whole bunch of falses. I'll show you in a second. Here, the match function is match 1. Let's take a look. Our lookup value is going to be 1. Our lookup array, it's going to be, the first will be menu item and the date. Then we want an exact match. Lookup value, lookup array, match type, 0. Match type, 0 equals exact match. Got it? Over here, this example compares the menu item in F5 to menu item 313 and the sales date in G4 to sales date 313. In each case, the output is a list of true and false values. When these lists are multiplied, the math operator converts the true and false values to ones and zeros, resulting in the following list: 1, 0, 0. Remember I said you're going to get one true and a whole bunch of falses? This implies the exact same thing. Match is configured to match 1 true as an exact match and return the position. Take a look here. Match 1, menu item, lookup array, F9, and it's going to be that 1, 0, 0 as shown. If we want to look at this particular, let's see if this thing will produce anything. F9, true, false, 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 true. Remember I said there's going to be a bunch of trues and falses? And we have this other one, F9, true, 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 false, 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 false. What we're trying to do is just find the only true. So we have true, true, false, true, which will be false, false. You're going to see this final output as 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, working inside out. You can see how that works. How? We're looking for row 1. If we look back here, look at this array, F9. Doesn't this represent row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? If we look here, it should be 0, 1, and 7 additional zeros. Lookup array, F9, and we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Why? Look at this. We're looking for 1129 in bacon. 1129, 1129, bacon. That's number 2. If we go to coffee, it should be 9. It should be coffee, 10-1, should be, okay, 10-1, go over here to 12-1, and it should be 9. Look here. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and a 1. Look up right, up 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Got it? And then retail sales is just coffee. F9 is going to be the 250. 250. We're looking for this 250 because we asked to see retail sales. Brad Williams, XL Prime.